Guys, it's Pineapple, and today we're back for another Roblox video. But today I am showing you a bunch of codes for Texting Simulator, and hopefully you guys will make these like useful. So the first so subscribe to this. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment down below. I do not want that. So the first code I have for you guys is air. And I already redeemed most of these. So why am I'm so confused. So yeah, air is the first code, and hold on one second. We're back. I did a spelling problem. So the next one is special surprise. Sorry about that, guys. Some of these are kind of phony. I don't know. So apparently don't use that. I'm showing you which codes are invalid and which codes are valid. So that one is invalid. Do not use it. Do not use like that one. Do not use any of the ones that say invalid, because they might do something bad to your channel. So not your channel, your thing. So the next one is wire. Sorry about that. Wireless. Code successfully redeemed. Sorry. So and the I need to do, yeah. So the next code is, sorry about the next code is sore thumbs. Code already redeemed. Okay, I am pretty sure. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm the legendary ranks. Godly ranks. So the next code we have for you guys is emoji. Code already redeemed. Texting Lord, code already redeemed. And grinning emoji. And guys, that is all of the codes I have for today. We will soon be getting more codes in, and please sure to smash that subscribe button, and also leave a comment down below. I will reply to you guys 30 minutes a day. Pretty sure that's how much time I get a day. Sadness. But I love my subscribers, and our merchandise is coming out soon. Hopefully you guys will check that out, and it is really cool. So that is it. Yep, see you guys next time. See ya.